The contents of the box were the cordless trimmer, protection shield for the trimmer, a 4.0 battery, a charger, some various manuals and parts to connect the shaft, most probably, the box for the grass, and the lawnmower itself. So, sorry, it comes disassembled, but it's quite easy to put it together, I guess. In order to start the lawnmower, you have to insert also the special key into the compartment with the battery. So I guess it doesn't matter which side, like that. In order to fasten the protective piece, you need to screw it on with 4 screws. Yesterday I had a test run with the lawnmower, and I was really surprised that the battery lasted for maybe 6 or 7 minutes. So I thought that I would test how long the battery keeps up by charging it fully. As you can see, it's fully charged. And yeah, let's give it a go and see how long it will last.